Hello YouTube, I'm here today with an unboxing video of a new watch I bought, a Seiko SRPC91. And why did I buy it? Because I need a backup watch. I have a Omega Seamaster that I pretty much wear all the time. If you can see that. And starting a little nervous, chasing my 2-year-old around, doing a little gardening. And maybe I should get another watch just to take a little bit of a beating. So I obsessed for about 2 months. I watched every video I could. A lot of great videos out there on Seikos. Urban Gentry was really helpful. Great information there. And finally obsessed, went back and forth and decided on this one. So without further ado, because I watch these and sometimes it gets tedious if you talk too much, I'll open it up. I'm going to use my Heli knife here, which only opens packages. And I'm going through the old Amazon bag, and we'll see what we have. So while I'm opening this, I'll also mention that the way I obsess over things, I'll probably end up hating this for about the first week or two, but probably learn to love it. So okay, first thoughts, we get the generic Seiko box, which I think when they first started shipping this is the Save the Ocean version. It was in a limited edition box, but I believe that those are all gone. Whatever, I don't care about the box. It's only going to be around for about a week or two unless I send it back. But there you go, Seiko box. Nothing too terribly exciting there. Let's see what else we have. Oh, look at this. Here it is. It's very blue. Kind of what I was expecting. Not as big as I was expecting. I had heard that it's a very large watch, and it's not as large as I thought. It's a good size. Matter of fact, I'll hold it up next to the Omega. Oh, has a tag on it, which is always good. Seiko Prospects, and the reference number, SRPC91. So they sent me the right one, which is always good. So here we have the Omega, and here we have the Seiko. So, I don't know, it's a little bigger, but not demonstrably bigger. It's not gigantic. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? Let's take this off, the strap. Stick it on here. Ooh, nice. Band's really nice. Feels kind of stretchy, which is good because you know in the summer your wrist expands on a metal bracelet and you feel like it's way too tight, and then it contracts and it's loose when you're in the air conditioning. Well, I guess it won't happen so much with this. Wow, this is really nice. Really nice and finished. I'm going to hold it up there. Make sure you can see it. So, I mean, it's a really nice watch, a really good size. Very, very blue. Very nice. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by. That's my unboxing, and maybe I'll do a review. It takes me forever to make a video, but here you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.